Hey guys, so today we have a new figure to review. So what's going on? So this is Seth Rollins, SummerSlam series, obviously. Series 86. Package kind of damaged since I got this from Walmart. I like Oscar, but I'm not gonna do anything with the boxes. I just want to see how many boxes I have by the end of this year, and this is one of them. I know, I'm just weird. Let's collect boxes or something. Might work for, like, stadiums or something like that. Anyway, back to you. So, Seth Rollins, SummerSlam series. We have Seth Rollins on the side from the match. And we got The Fiend, Triple H, Miz, Carmella, Seth Rollins, obviously, and Psycho Sid. All they had was Carmella and Psycho Sid. Or it's Justice, sorry, my bad. And there's things that you can pause and read. And then there's Seth Rollins again, then Seth Rollins again, the same picture on that one. And we have Seth Rollins. Yep. So let's burn it down and get this video. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back. It took me a very long time to get him out of the package, but we actually got him out. So, oops. Okay, just in there. So, first we're going to take a look at Seth Rollins 50, then we're going to take a closer look at Seth Rollins, and then we're going to do some Seth Rollins comparisons. Alright, so we have Seth Rollins Mysterio vest. He wore this at SummerSlam, right? Last year. Yeah, last year. And then Dominic Mysterio, I forgot to mention that too, so yeah. I'll put it on the figure when we get closer to them. Next we have a kendo stick, which I will be upgrading because I used to have this small one that came with that Nakamura thing over there. That one. Alright, hold on. Alright. So because usually Dean Ambrose likes to have candlesticks on the show, so I'll put that there for now. And then we have open hands like Oscar, whoever came up with these Ricochet comes with these if I ever get a and then yeah, they'll go 1, 2. Oh, it also comes out of the packaging with my holding hands, which yeah. So take a better look at the phones. But yeah, I'm gonna put the vest on real quick. I think the vest I probably won't use it that much. Let's go start off the face scan. So if I can get focus, oopsie. So this is the phone's face. If I can get a clear thing, let me just put my. So it's the phone's. The rest of my ability. Yeah. Hold on. It looks like a phone to me. Kind of hard to Yeah, that's probably all I can do. Alright, so under his vest, he has chest hair. I'll show you it later. We have the Monday Night Messiah thing, and silver there, and then pink. Black boots, and then double clothing mask. I don't have to worry about that. Alright, I'm gonna take this off because I can't. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, here's him without his vest on. Chest hair, you got a buckle right there. And you turn it on, you get the Japanese, thing, and yeah, my ponytail / man bun. Yeah. So, oh wait. Seth Rollins comparisons, I almost forgot. I'm gonna put the candlestick back over here. Okay. So I did have a shield Seth Rollins, but I lost it, so Yeah, so these are the only two figures that I'm sure. So this is him with the when he was on the tail one with the authority. He had the white blonde thing, and then this is the one I use now with the rubber band on it. And now this is our new Rollins action figure. And if I can find what I'm looking for, we can find Becky Lynch in this. Tell me if you see Becky Lynch. If you've seen don't see her yet. If you see Becky Lynch, oh, found her. Oh, yes. I need to put everything back. See, you can see that I found it. Definitely very good footage. Yeah. So there's Seth up against his wife Becky Lynch. Yep, and this is him up to let me see. Yeah, you can see the packaging of that, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all my stuff on. That's the Seth on comparisons. If I had to rate this, I would give it I think I messed up the hand when I was saying they can just stick out, so that's a bummer. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. The face skin looks like Seth on, so I can't give it a good shot of it, but yeah, I think it was a good action figure, and you should buy it. Yeah. He's actually injured right now on my show because he was a champion, but same again. Oh wait, I'm gonna actually see what he looks like with the animal before that. Put it on. There you go. Don't look too bad. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the glove thing on since he's a face at my show, but hey, I think I can deal with the glove on, but it's because things probably should. But yeah, he looks like a face, right? Yeah. I might change it, I don't know. But I think it's a great figure, and you guys should buy it if you have money. Bye. Burn it down.